A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. My name is Chandra Bose. I am going to share the new chapter. As you know, my dear students, the last week we have successfully completed one chapter. The chapter name was Crying. And the same unit we are continuing the second chapter, My Elder Brother. It's a wonderful story, and this story is written by Munshi Premchand. Okay, now let's start the chapter, My Elder Brother. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Munshi Premchand. The same story is written by Munshi Premchand in Hindi version, and that name was Bade Bhai Sahab. Okay, my dear students, in this session I will read the whole chapter in English. In the next video I will explain the same chapter in Hindi also. So it is requested to all the students, please keep your eyes and ear open. Let's start the chapter. Scene 1. Hostel room. Two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother's Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing picture of birds and animals. Bhaiya said, "What are you doing, Munna?" Munna replied, "I am drawing." Bhaiya said, "When will you study? Where were you in the morning?" Munna replied, turning pale, "I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together?" Bhaiya said, "That's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work." Munna said, "Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same words 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters." Bhaiya said, "You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study?" Munna said, "Oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go?" Bhaiya said, Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money." Munna started crying on being scolded, and sobbing sounds wah 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 ba ba are heard. Munna said, "Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home." Bhaiya said, Now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn." The downside, the timetable has been prepared by Bhaiya is given below. Time and schedule. 6 a.m. Wash your hands, have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. Maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. History. 3:30 p.m. Then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. Grammar. Half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. Translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi. 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya said, play? What is the need, Munna? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hoo sound of the kabaddi. And the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Scene 2. The final exam are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, Alice, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya said, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class. You think that I am stupid? You are smart. Once in a while in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna, oh bhai sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya replied, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages still be short? It is all so mixed up, Munna said, thinking aloud. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Munna was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna, talking aloud, I am lucky, I can pass easily, I need not study so hard now, I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya said, catching hold of Munna's hand, are not you ashamed to be playing kites of all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school. Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really Bhaiya, is that true? Bhaiya said, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied in wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna, I don't know Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Bhaiya said, aha, I had expected the answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna replied with tears in his eyes. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna, I love you, Bhaiya. So, my dear student, it was a wonderful chapter. I hope all of you have enjoyed a lot. In the next video, I will explain the whole chapter in Hindi also. There is new word also, so let the read new word. Okay. Foundation, solid base, schedule, timetable, essay, composition on any subject, idling without any purpose, lazy, mastered, gained, expertise, skilled. Thank you, students. I hope all of you have enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much.